What is going on, guys? Welcome to a new video here, and for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Rafael and I talk about affiliate marketing. So if you're into making money online and promoting affiliate offers, this is the channel for you. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel right now so you never miss a video. Alright, with that being said, we're going to just jump right into this video, and we are going to be talking about how to find a profitable Amazon affiliate niche in 5 minutes or less. Alright, so let me bring up my list here, and this is how we're going to do this. Alright, so you're going to want to find a high ticket item, usually a product that is $100 and up. The reason for this is you are going to get a small commission. Amazon's commissions, they vary from 4% all the way up to 10%. And so if you have a item that is $100 or more, you're going to get a higher commission. All right, so if we take a look at the departments here, we're going to see some of these products that we promote. All right, so you want to go after, like I said, products that are going to be more expensive. Okay, so it could be, you know, outdoor equipment, outdoor furniture, a grill. You know, grills are honestly, some of them are expensive, like $489. This could be a great product to sell because of the commission you can get out of this. Okay, so if we actually do the math here, $489 times, even if you do about a 0.5%, you're going to get about $24 out of this grill here, which is pretty well if you have your site up and it's constantly generating sales. All right, Amazon converts like crazy, so this is a great product to promote. So make sure that when you are promoting a product, that you promote something that is high ticket. All right, I see a lot of people promoting really small things like a desk or like a microphone, and it's quite honestly, you're not going to make that much money on Amazon. All right, so let's move on to number 2 here, and this is take a look at the bestsellers list. Okay, so if we come over here to Google, we can search Amazon bestsellers list, and what this list is pretty much everything that's selling like crazy right now. Okay, so if you can promote these products, you're more likely to get commissions because this is what people are buying for. Okay, so I know these Amazon products, they sell like crazy. So if you could create a niche site around Amazon products, or you know, these speakers that you can actually talk into, like an Alexa or Google Home, you can actually make some money because it's converting like crazy. Even though it could be, you know, it's on the smaller side, if you can sell like 10, 20, 30 of these a day, you're going to be making some serious money through your niche site. Okay, so come over to these bestsellers lists, take a look around, take a look at the different niches here. These are all the niches that you can look at and see which ones you want to promote. Okay, so you can promote outdoor equipment, which again, some of these products do really well. Okay, and just look at what they're selling for and for what price it is, and you come up with your own decision if you want to sell these or if you want to go into a different niche. All right, so moving on to the last way to find a profitable Amazon affiliate niche is to niche down. Okay, so if you niche down, you're going to be able to rank for long tail keywords, and this is going to allow you to sell more products because you're the only one that is ranking for these long tail keywords. Okay, so for example here, let's come to the bestsellers list. Okay, so if I create a niche site only around Amazon Echo, okay, my niche site is all about Amazon Echo products, and that's all I sell. If I can rank for longer tail keywords like Amazon Echo best skills or best features, if I can rank for this keyword, it's a longer tail keyword, and I'm more likely to come up on the searches if I'm able to rank for that keyword. Alright, so that is just a quick video here teaching you how to find profitable Amazon affiliate products in under 5 minutes. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.